it's October 19th. We have a Deanna Fig here. It'll be my first time eating it. I've been waiting for it to ripen on the tree. It's a huge size, but the bird pecked at it, so unfortunately I have to do the review now. I think it's about a week earlier than I should have, but hey, once a bird peck at it, it's not something I want to keep on a tree. It's minimum damage, so let's just take a look at it. So you can see it is not juicy. It is a late ripening compared to other honey figs like champagne, Holier, golden rainbow, all those sorts. So this is a big size, but I don't know. This is not going to be a quite accurate review of Deanna, sadly, but we don't want to waste her. Let's try it. So with this one, it's mildly sweet. It's better than an edible brown turkey or blackjack that doesn't fully ripen. You can't really eat it. This one, you know, obviously it's not as juicy. It's not gonna be as sweet as it could be, but there is potential with this variety. It's like I can still eat it. It's just not gonna be the best, but it's not something oh yuck, you know, and throw it away. No, it's usable. The skin's quite thin. I ate the skin. You know, I'm not a skin person, but I ate the skin. Very nice. So I think even though it's a late ripening, I still think it's a good fig to grow. But if you're expecting something earlier, this is not going to be early. This is a late ripening honey fig. Overall, based on today, I'm gonna give it 6.5 out of 10. I know probably next year is, well, I have a few that's still hanging on the tree. I'll do an update on this. It's probably gonna jump up to like a 7 or 8, but it's not gonna beat my golden rainbow. I don't think any honey fig will beat the golden rainbow I had 2 years ago. I will never forget that golden rainbow.